something? Just forget it. Forget it. Let's go look over there. You're not coming with me or not?
I made it crystal clear. Malcolm must learn to accept the consequences of his actions.
So that means you're not coming. Well, I will have to protect him from all the consequences. A true friend indeed. Cynthia, wait! Look here, David. Just hurry up and I need to go and look about my child.
I don't know why I'm doing this.
Okay.
Sylvia, I will go and make a few phone calls and get right back to you. And please note, my decision to help is totally independent of your fenke sarcasm.
Whatever the outcome, I'm fully prepared. The news report states intensified shooting, burning, and loss of lives. It's a miracle I survived the night. I beg Malcolm. I said, Malcolm, don't go there to sleep. Instead, him have him uncle sleeping out there with him too. God, if you're kind enough to spare their lives, as soon as they walk through this door, I'm going to kill them. Malcolm, thank you, Lord! Malcolm! What happened to your shoes? How will you get this ridiculous looking jacket?
It's not even one of the others keep at the office.
I'll take it off. What? Malcolm, you get shot. Malcolm, you get shot.
Mommy,
Why you come here with your blood of self?
Mommy,
Why you never go to the hospital or the police station? Malcolm, why
Mommy,
you
you
come
never
here?
get shot.
The bullet probably fly through you so fast you never feel it. The shame.
Mommy.
The disgrace.
Mommy, God, listen to me now.
Don't talk to me like that.
If you had all this, don't you ever hear me?
I don't want no dead in my house.
Me not dead, me not get shot. Just listen. Whole man get shot and him blood catch me.
Tulo. Tulo, man. So Mrs. Hollowell was right. Malcolm, you lied to me. You looked me in the face and you lied to me. Mommy, watch me mouth. It was on me. You lied to me, Malcolm.
No them doing no mommy.
I don't know no social outcast.
And Mr. Easy the Mason, we used to work with Daddy too, son.
I don't know no Mr. Mr. Easy. You mean Anthony and Philip?
Philip.
So it's when them turn Piang and Tulaman.
Me. I stare right in the face of dead today. The thing get out of control. A curfew. I'm have a curfew in the area now. Lucky me get to escape.
Malcolm, what is that swelling at your side?
Mommy, not tell us that it's all about war out there. I not even know who or what or when me get licked, but my side just swell up.
That's what happened when you don't want to listen. You come, let me have a look at it.
Never beat mommy. I'm never telling you.
It's all right, Malcolm. You just let me look at it. Then
No, just look at me, please. Just look at
Well, kiss me dead, my Jemima Spaulding. God, you see me? I don't want no gunshot sitting in my house. I'm not going to prison for no picnic. Malcolm, I beg you. I beseech you. I beg, Malcolm. Where's my phone? I'm calling the police. you get him into this mess?
Before things get eaten, Mr. Uncle, make we leave the area. He said, no, his punk calling come back when a punk calling way for him. I believe that man is a dopey.
You better shut him out and capture foolishness inside here, is it? What do you mean by that?
But no man don't talk to him 1 minute. Me look beside me, him disappear.
Well, you better disappear and go find him. Or else is the army and the force coming after me.
But Uncle Josh,
Uncle Josh is quite hard.
I reached up in that matter.
Uncle Joshy!
You see, you don't say what to me. Sylvia, you know, said that boy nearly made me lose my life last night.
Joshie, you all right?
Oh, yes, Sylvia. Looking at me, me no most all right. Mrs. Sylvia, I sick good last night. I think I was in Afghanistan. Sylvia, you know, say that boy already got a harm if he chew. Some boy you see gunman. Some of them all look like they can't fire boom. No, me no want to be a foot water. Mrs. Sylvia, I don't know where I get the strength from for run last night. But Bolter Blake couldn't catch me.
I have to go.
Wait, you is here? No, man, don't go stay.
But this is a family affair.
This must be your like family.
Yes, one time you know, could have called yourself family. Stay, man, go and go sit down.
I am not taking any.
No, look how you go get me ignorant and black. I say go sit down. You is part of this drama. Mrs. Sylvia, while running, I realized that this boy is in serious danger. So I said to myself, say, I have to save him. So I said, I have to find Bun Khan.
The dad?
That which partner? This Bun Khan coming like say you want breast milk.
I really have to go.
What would you advise in the Vietnam 10? Nobody make me have to say that again. Sit down.
Uncle, you just said this your bun can. What you mean?
No fake Bun Khan we are look for.
So you mean to tell me, say, my soldiers give me wrong information? Whenever you tell
And if you know, if you know, you keep your behind quiet.
Oh.
So Joshie, where you coming from?
Well, to cut a long story short, me I come from Bun Khan to police station, from police station to hospital, from hospital to here. Mrs. Sylvia, it's a good thing say Jamaica people still believe in Audrey.
Not my name Odia.
Not my name Audrey, ask them. Ask them. Because I'm sure every one of them out there either know either China lunch, know Asian, one of 4 years, and a bush doctor. It's all wild down to Audrey.
Excuse me, please.
Mrs. Sylvia, I was to put on a performance about Khan Yard. Me go like say me I want good over man. Man, I spin me roll 3 times. And I look straight in about Khan Yard. And I say, I am ball of fire, the greatest science man in all of Jamaica, and I come for the truth, and I don't want you to bend it, cause if you bend it, you cannot cross it, cause me will make Peony Wall in your mouth, you yaya. Me will sleep in a coffin for as long as it take you to go in a one dead. Me say the poor young man was so frightened, him spilling gut. Tell me everything. Him say him is just a nephew to the real Bun Khan. Him say Joseph's death was a mistaken identity.
What?
Oh yes. And that is why the real bun can't to run left the island. Same friend them in the force set it up so him could have leave. Him also say him no know nothing about no letter.
I definitely have to go now.
Why ain't such a rush, Miss Denny?
Answer the question again. Answer. Mrs. Sylvia, as me was about to leave Buncanya, believing that everything was peace and safety, out of nowhere me hear a voice, oh, what a one. And then me see one short little to come and turn upside of me. And one of Buncan man shout out, no man will be a man, we got your friend St. Mary. Sylvia, me no know where the little tuku man get a piece or two before from in my hand. And he start to give me some rotted liquor. Beef back, Bodo, beef back. Him say last month him God said me we go thief cow. And some of the man them up there catch him and them beat him. Him say them beat him till him vomit. So anybody him catch from St. Mary, who are their man or know who are their man dead. Beef back, Bodo, beef back. I said the go to come and got me. When he come in, like said the last spirit I go come out of me, man. Me drop a glove. And me say, boss, me uncle Barna said, Mary, but me not live there now. The tuku man said that was, and he started to beat me again. Beef back, Bodo, beef back. Thank God for the arrival of the police and soldiers on the scene. Otherwise, it would be some eyes up some that come pick up the car keys. Then fling about 10 away in the Black Maria. And then me see them carry somebody out of Buncan house dressed like Muslim and go put in the truck front. Me never recognize the person. And when me put on a police station, me realize who. Me never know say you are Muslim.
Sylvia, for the preservation of our friendship, please tell this lunatic to let me leave.
What is really going on here?
Sylvia, as she the police take out a Buncan house.
What? Where you at Buncan here, Miss Denny? So it's him call me phone. I call Uncle Joshie.
No. I already explained that to Sylvia.
No, him not really understand. But him call everybody that too.
So, Debbie, you was at Buncan's house?
Sylvia, it was a mistake.
And the letter?
What letter? No letter.
Liar. You is a little liar. Tell me something. Who for handwriting this? Who for handwriting this?
You don't know my handwriting. Sylvia, you can't just come accuse me of something without having any proof.
That's how you think. Malcolm. Sylvia. Oh no, look at these and tell me what you notice.
Is this your handwriting?
I rest my case.
Explain yourself. Fast.
Sylvia?
And I don't want you to hear this mistake now, Debbie.
Look, Sylvia, when you told me that you were going to sell the place, well, I thought I could make a good commission from the sale. So, Bun can't tell me to write this letter as if it's him, Bun can't write it to force you to sell. On reflection, that was so selfish of me.
That not selfish. That wicked. You know how much people could have died because of that letter?
Look at me.
Baby, don't say it.
No, Sylvia, make she say it. She want a flagging. Thank God me never double. Sylvia. Then you never did know say she and Joseph used to play a dirty part.
What? No. What? No, Sylvia. It's not like how Dad's making it out to me. Joseph was good and kind to me.
You're evil. I'm glad that Neil was good and kind to you.
Malcolm, we
Daddy! You mean to tell me that you betrayed our friendship?
poor judgment. Sylvia, it happened at my most vulnerable.
Stop chat fart on me ears. Vulnerable to go to marry your best friend's husband.
But it was only one time.
Liar. I know that my brother tell me.
Sylvia, you can make one little mistake, mash up our friendship.
Get out of my house!
But look how far we're coming from. You're going to make a man.
My husband.
My husband.
Go!
But Sylvia, we are sisters. We are women.
Baby.
Female.
Baby, if you don't want to rip it to shirt inside you, go!
Sylvia.
You deaf? You know you do man say if you go. All right, Sylvia, not take it so hard. Sorry, that means the one that have to be carrying the bad news. But Sylvia, come. Here. Take these. Letters that she write to your husband to con him. And Sylvia, me got some nice photo to show you, you know. But the one fake one cannot take the one of them. I'm going to let that one and say me look on it and enjoy. Say me enjoy myself. Sylvia, I would be a wicked man to show you a picture like this. No, not going to my you broke me and you know, Sylvia, I said, no, not going to my life, me Anna.
Baby, in my bed, naked. Joshy, come down to the station, come be a murder.
Let me water.
Hold me arms right now, yeah. Can you give me the title? Me am I getting on my life? Now we just love you, squeeze yeah. I'll enjoy me not care. Take it anytime, any. Mommy? Moms? Yeah, me just want to hold you. Put me on your tongue, yeah. Yeah, you give me the truth.
Malcolm, your mother not reach on me.
Seriously, uncle. You know, sir, if Debbie ever see or know, she ought to refuse you.
Don't mention that girl name to me at all. Your mother not reach home from work yet.
No, but you soon come, man. The traffic at this time, not easy.
Malcolm. Malcolm. Make sure me and your mother tell about mother kid and say, you must not peel anything into our sofa.
Yeah, but you're not here, no, uncle.
It no matter. At all times you must learn to honor the wishes of your mother. Get up out of the woman's sofa, man. With all your big dirty foot, then cock up in the woman's something like that for you. Are you buying? Get up! What am I going to do young people doing? I'm not going to hear so hard.
All right.
Don't tell me about that. All right. And pick up the orange skin off of the lady sofa. Nasty.
Hey, uncles. You know what? We'll go out on the east for that toko man.
We? No, massa. Toughly come for me, kid, no green.
Uncle man.
You remember what Kenny Rogers said? You must know when to fold up, know when to walk away, know when to run. All right. Once somebody couldn't give me so much liquor, me want to see them again. You must take me one my Mariana if you come find my body chamba.
The traffic at this time on a Friday evening is horrendous. Joshie, you don't never remember. You don't never remember that you were leaving today. You know, tell me something. You didn't carry that thing?
Oh, everything copacetic, Sylvia.
Somebody give me a cool drink of water then.
But imagine, your mother asks you for a glass of water. And before you get up and go give your mother the water, you sit down there and talk about uncle. Eh? How kind of behavior that? Take your lazy body out of the chair and get up and go give your mother the water. What is wrong with the young people? What do you when come out of it? I say get the water and give to your mother. I thought of me woman thirsty.
Joshie, before you go.
What is for Sylvia?
Something to warm your coffee.
Oh, Sylvia. You just deflate my pride and mash up my ego. I can't take money from you. We is like family. Me just want to tell you goodbye personally. Oh, to the country I must return. For my Mariana I deeply burn.
Hey, uncle. I make you move so romantic.
Make Mariana tell you about me and romance. Female love never know no bounds. We was like bees to honey, fish to hook, argo to mud. I you know, say me feel like say when we go back from Mariana, we will be there waiting.
Not a wait. 10 years. Not a line, not a letter, not a 50-cent stamp. Not a call. She's not waiting, Joshie. She's not waiting.
How you know say she never called Sylvia? How you know say she never called? Of course she called one time. And she begs me to be circumspect for her till she come back. And for 10 years now, me been circumspect.
Joshie, as mild as I can put it, she's not keeping herself circumspect for you.
That is the mildest I can put it.
She coming back. She coming back. I can feel it in my bones.
When you feel whatever you want to feel in your bones, but you're not coming back. Hey son, Mariana probably find herself a little old man. Married, get her papers and gone about her business.
Oh no, not my Mariana. Mariana will never do that to me. She coming back, and if them never wait for another 20 years, me still have to wait for her. Oh, and you did that chat, Miss Sylvia. What about you and your so-called best friend?
Oh, baby.
Look here, no mention the girl name to me at all. Leave a bitter taste in my mouth.
When she call and say she'll be away for a few months, still asking for forgiveness, and claim all was a mistake.
A careless mistake.
So, Joshie,
Yes.
how you did come by those tackle letters anyway?
Oh, I one time when me come up here, my brother did ask me if I go looking at it. It's not important, yeah. That girl, baby.
Your brother wasn't innocent either.
Oh no. Oh no. Insane couldn't help himself. He said the things that when they be writing at them, the letter, when they read the letter, then you will see for yourself, was the most degrading and derogatory thing that any woman could have tell a man. So him had was to prove him manhood. Him said that girl, baby, is a vituperator.
A what?
You are the teacher and you feel know. So, what's next for you now, young man?
Well, now that the fake bunker in jail, and the other one gone, there's a vacancy.
Eternal Father, me alone cannot manage it.
Our
Straight to the station of where me them put you in. Straight. And you going down with him too. You going down with him.
Simeon, come back and joke him away. You say you're not good, you know. You say you make your mama run up and down like when they tab hanging in on dead good. Yeah. Sylvia, joke him away. You know, Sylvia, if me was your heart, me attack your long time.
You know, big man, I'm going to start the foolishness. You know, big man. And you, Malcolm, just as bad. Only not do me them things that are much too old or too old. Yeah, get your money.
All right.
Uncle Joshie,
Yeah.
mommy, this is the day when Tuluman gets shot right beside me. And the beat your uncle get.
Hi. Hello.
Well, that was the turning point in my life. Things I've been through over these couple of weeks. When we know we can go through fire. It don't smell like smoke. I can turn every negative to a positive. That is my mission, mommy.
Hi, Sylvia, I don't know about you, but I'm proud of my nephew.
And everything going to be alright, you know. As soon as them deport or extradite bunker.
I hate that word extradite. Causes civil servants and politicians to lose their jobs.
All prime ministers. Hi, hear me never kill some baby mother, then me have to go now. Me go just take up my bag and go right around the back. Me not come back on us.
All right,
okay,
Joshie.
yes.
You take care then.
Right.
I'm glad you're with you. Why? Your uncle is something else, you know.
We're missing though.
Oh, yes. Me too. But, to the contrary, he must return. For his Mariana, he deeply burns.
Sylvia, the whole around so full of police.
Joshie,
Mommy, where it gone?
the gun, Joshie, you never carrying the gun.
Sylvia, me never remember.
Jesus, save your pilot.
Sylvia, you carry me.
Detective Inspector Sledge. I have a search warrant for Mrs. Sylvia Wilkins to search dwelling premises at 24 Excalibur Way, Kingston Hill.
Sylvia, where we are going to?